So, hi ladies, thank you for coming. Can anyone share something with me that you have been working on at home? Something for science or math? Anything you've liked doing? It could be Odyssey, it could be iReady, it could be anything that you've been working on. Melenis?
I love cooking cakes with my sister.
I love that. But let me ask it to you another way. Is there anything you've been doing at home for your schoolwork that you really like science or math, anything that has been fun or cool? Lenny's?
Science?
Yeah, what have you been doing?
iReady.
Yeah.
iReady math.
Yeah, that's good. What about you, Hannah? Anything fun, interesting, cool, exciting, hard?
iReady math.
iReady math? A lot of kids are telling me that. Like a lot of kids are saying that they really like iReady math. Well, in iReady, I don't know if you know this, but there are games. Did you know that there's iReady games? Oh, I have to let you guys know about that. So I'm gonna find a way to let your parents know about the iReady games and you guys can work on that, okay? So for now, I'm gonna share my screen, okay? Hold on tight, you will not see me. You will see my notebook. Hold on tight. So I'll kind of disappear for a second. And let me know with a thumbs up when you see my notebook. Yep, as soon as you see it, just let me know. Aiden, you're back. Thank you for joining me. You see my notebook yet? Yay! I'll tell you, with technology, you never know what's gonna happen. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna read for a little bit, okay? And what I am going to read is what we are going to do today, okay? All right. Okay, Aiden, you're back. Okay, we're waiting, it's okay. So today, you will be able to add, you're going to be able to practice adding a 2-digit number. So a 2-digit number is something like the number 23 and a multiple of 10. So multiples of 10 are numbers like 10, 20, 30. Using concrete models, drawings, and strategies based on place value. So in English, we're gonna add 2-digit numbers with multiples of 10 using a model, a picture, or anything based on place value, okay? So let me just show you 2 examples first, okay? So this is an example of 2-digit numbers. Now I have number 42 on top and number 23 on bottom. I have separated the numbers by ones and tens. This equation right here is the same as this. I'm going to say that one more time. This equation right here is the same as this. Can anyone tell me how you know, how do you know that this equation is the same as this? Do they look the same? Hannah, unmute.
The other one is just up. They're the same.
Yeah. So when numbers are written like this, Hannah, It's called vertical. So these numbers are written vertically. These numbers are written horizontally, and you're right, like you said, up. So how is this equation the same as this? I saw your hands, Melenies. How are these two the same equations?
Because it have 6 ones like the same.
This is a number 2. That's a number 2.
Yep.
So tell me how these two are the same.
It is the same because it have 4 tens and 6 ones.
Well, that's a 2, 2 ones, right? And what about this? Is this the same as this?
Yep.
Okay, how do you know that?
Because it has the same 3, and that's the same.
Yeah, same 3 ones, 3 ones, 2 tens, 2 tens. Same exact numbers, okay? Okay, Aiden, looking at this equation right here, I can write my addition vertically or horizontally, okay? They are the same. Now, this is an example of adding 2-digit numbers with multiples of 20. So multiples of 10. So multiples of 10, guys, are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. When you skip count by 10, those are multiples of 10, okay? Now, when you guys are adding 2-digit numbers, you want to make sure, and you have to really, really pay attention to this. This is going to help you for a very long time. The first thing you're going to add is your ones place. Do not add with the tens place. Now, the reason why you can't add with the tens place is because this week you guys are working on regrouping, okay? So I'm going to add in the ones place. Aiden, can you add the numbers in the ones place first? I just drew a quick picture because in our objective, I said that we can write models, pictures, illustrations. So in my ones place, can you add up my numbers in the ones place, Aiden? I have 2 ones and 0 ones. Or 2 plus 0.
2.
I can't hear you.
2 plus 0 equals 2.
2. Okay, guys, look. So I just added my ones place. 2 plus 0 equals 2. Okay? Now I'm going to hop over to my tens place. I have 4 tens and 2 tens. And I can draw a model if I need it. Those are my 4 tens. And here's my 2 tens. Who can add up all of my tens? So I did my ones place first and then my tens place. Who can add up all of my tens and tell me how many tens I have? Go ahead, Melenies. Thank you, Melenies.
60.
How many tens?
Oh, I mean 40, 42.
No, I have 4 tens right here, right? Is that 4 tens right here? You see the 4, I made 4 lines. Those are my 4 tens. And I have 2 more tens on top of that. How many tens do I have? Just my tens. Watch this. How many tens do I have? Only tens.
I mean 6.
6. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 tens, okay? And so what is the sum? 62. I have 2 ones and that's my 2 ones, and I have 4 tens and 2 tens, and that makes 6 tens, okay? I'm gonna turn my notebook, hold on tight. Okay, I'm gonna do another one. Okay, you ready? You there, Aiden? 32 plus 20. What do I know about this example? What do I know so far? What do you know about it? Anything, 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 anything. Someone other than Melanies. What do we know about it? Aiden, what do you know about this example right here? Anything, anything, anything. Or Hannah. That's a little quiet today. Go ahead, Hannah. You can unmute.
2.
2 what?
2 dots.
Okay. And what are the 2 dots for? What do the 2 dots mean?
Ones.
2 ones. Okay. So in my ones place, I have 2 ones. Okay. Aiden, can you tell me something about my tens place? So I'm only going to add 2 ones because I have no other ones, right? That's easy. Okay. Aiden, can you tell me about the tens place? Anything, anything about the tens place? What can you tell me about the tens place? Anything? I'm cutie. There you go. Anything about the tens place, Aiden? Okay, we can come back to you. Hannah, think about it. Hannah, Melanies, what do we know about the tens place? Anything, anything, anything. Just raise a silent hand. Okay, Melanies and then Hannah. Hannah, hold on to your thought. Aiden, we will come right back to you.
It's 5.
Oh, 5 what?
5 tens.
Oh, so it's kind of like this. There were 3 tens and then there were 2 tens. Okay. Hannah, do you agree that there are 5 tens altogether? Do you agree, Hannah? Okay. All right. So now who's going to add the ones place for me? Someone add the ones place. Aiden, can you add the ones place for me? And then Hannah, Melanies, I'll call on you. Okay, Hannah, Melanies, can you add the ones place? Hannah.
Two.
Two what? Tens, ones, hundreds, thousands?
2 ones.
2 ones. Okay, Melanies, I know you did it already. Can you add the tens place for me?
Seven.
Tens place. 3 tens and then 2 tens. 3 plus 2.
It's
Aiden, are you
5.
there? 5, thank you. Okay. All right. Aiden, you there? Okay. All right. So Melanies, I'm going to give you 1, and Hannah, I'm going to give you 1. Melanies, this one is for you. Hannah, this one is for you. Aiden, this one is for you. Okay? That's for Melanies. This is for Hannah. My marker's running out. And this is for Aiden. Okay? Whenever you're ready. Whenever you're ready, let me know. Raise a silent hand when you're ready. Okay, Melanies. And Hannah, you can keep working, and Aiden, you keep working.
How
many ones?
It's four.
Four ones.
4 ones.
How many tens?
It's 5 ones. I mean 5 tens.
Good, 54. Hannah, you ready? And then Aiden, you do the next one, okay?
9 ones.
Okay, good job, Hannah. How many
4
tens you have?
tens.
Wow, good job. Aiden, you ready? Go ahead, sweetie. Aiden, you can add the ones place first, okay? Aiden, you ready? You can unmute. Okay, we can do it together, Aiden, after, in a second. I'm gonna stop sharing my screen. Hold on tight. So when you're adding 2-digit numbers, always start in the ones place, because this week you'll see in your work that you're starting to do regrouping. So regrouping is when you're making that 10 and then you're combining all your tens, okay? So when you're adding 2-digit numbers, always do your ones place first, add them up, and then add your tens place. And remember, you can always draw a picture for your ones and your tens. Does that make sense? Are there any questions? No? You have any questions, Melanies? Okay, so Melanies and Hannah, you guys can, you two ladies can go. I may see you on Thursday. Aiden, you can stay on and you and I can do this example together, okay? All right, ladies, thank you. Hopefully I see you on Thursday.
Bye.
Okay, bye, bye, Hannah. Tell your mom and Cooper, I'll see Cooper later. Tell your mom I said hi. Let me tell your mom hi. Okay, Aiden, I'm gonna share my screen with you one more time, okay? Hold on tight. Okay, it takes a second to load. And then I want you to add these two numbers together, these two-digit numbers. Do you understand what I'm asking you to do? Aiden, do you understand what I'm asking you to do? Yes? Okay, hold on a second. Do you see my screen? Aiden, I don't hear you. Okay, so show me thumbs up because I'm understanding. Show me thumbs up or thumbs down. Okay, all right. So Aiden, add the ones place for me. You're gonna have to unmute so I can hear you. A little louder. I can't really hear you. I'm so sorry. Go ahead. Add the ones place. Aiden, do you understand what I'm asking you? Okay. Can you add the ones place?
Nine.
Okay. Dad, are you there? Aiden, I'm going to share my screen one more time. Okay, you ready? Tell me when you can see my screen. Thumbs up when you see my screen. Can you see my screen? Okay. Can you add the ones place?
9.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
9.
Okay, good. Now, can you add the tens place?
3.
3 tens and another 2 tens. How many tens do we have?
3.
I thought I heard 6. Correct me if I'm wrong. 3 tens and 2 tens.
Three.
Okay, so that's the 3. And then we have 2 more tens.
5.
Good.
5.
Alrighty. Yeah, 5 tens, right? And then again, you can always draw a picture. I'm going to stop sharing. And I will also stop recording.